My name is Nathan Hayes, and I'm one of the owners at Team One Automotive. What makes us different with Team One Automotive is our transparency, our communication, our excellent level of technician skills, warranty after the sale, service after the sale. We think that's huge. Once you spent the money that you spent, if something doesn't go right, then you know that you have somebody that's going to take care of you even after the sale. That's us. So Team One Automotive came from the dealerships, wanted to open an independent garage. We started out a 3-man shop and expanded into a 23-bay, 20-employee shop servicing the local community and surrounding cities. We have collaborated with names such as AAA, Carbon, Dynan, O'Reilly's, WorldPac, AutoZone that have helped us be a more solid company. Our no-brainer offer is a $1 oil change for the first-time customer. It's going to include the labor for $1 and we'll pay for your oil and your filter. If you're watching this video right now, give us a call at 918-251-0018. In case you missed it, our no-brainer offer is for first-time customers a $1 oil change. Our phone number is 918-251-0018. Our web address is teamoneautomotiveba.com. We look forward to seeing you.